So we have our custom mount already on here. So we got the light mounted up and we're gonna demonstrate it for y'all. This is the EVO 1700 UT. We're gonna test this out and put this on our scooter. So stay tuned. Thanks to the brand for sending us this to give our honest opinion, and I can't wait to test this out because wow, look at this. This looks cool. I hope it performs as good as it looks. So you connect the power cable to activate it. Wow, that is bright. So we'll be testing this out, and of course you have a couple settings. Let's go ahead and turn it off. We're going to charge it up fully and then take it for a spin. All right, everyone, so this is the purple, and if we go ahead and we power it on, we can see out in front of us. So I have it set up that I can move it around for mine if I want to rotate it, but look how far we can see out here. So if I want to see far ahead, we can easily set it for far ahead.